go?
I'm here in the National Park of Snowdonia in Wales, and I'm completely lost. A lot of farmers are angry with the fact that tourists and many crazy people have been eroding the path. Look at that.
Many people have tried to build and drive on these beautiful lands.
I'm going to build a house here.
But the rangers have been stopping them.
Yeah, I'm arresting you for trying to build on this national park.
Oh yeah?
People have made 7 roads, parking lots, path signs, and only access parking for farmers. I hope you enjoyed the movie about the National Park of Snowdonia and Lake District.